Welcome to So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and I think we all have goals and dreams and things that we want to do. Sometimes they get done very quickly. Other times it takes a long time for them to get done. And other times it takes a lot of people to help get the job done. And in my case, it needed a lot of people to get the job done. So today I'm very excited to share with you a dream that I have had for a very long time. And in the mail came this wonderful box, and I know what's in the box because of the packing slip. And it is my first ever book. And this book is all because of you. This will be the first time I've seen the book in print, and I really wanted to share it with you. I am so excited for this shipment. I can't wait for you to see it. Oh, this is like a surprise gift. There's a box inside of a box. This is even better, having a box inside of a box. Now I have one more box to open. Okay, sneak peek. Oh, they're wrapped even more. It's almost like a gag birthday gift. All right. There we have it. The very first copy that I've touched is going to go to someone very special in my life. And that special person is going to be my mother. My mother was the one who taught me how to sew and always told me that I could accomplish anything that I wanted to in life, even if it was flying. The book's called So Very Easy, Quilt Favorites, right after my YouTube channel. And we have 12 projects in the book. We have a good view of them right at the front. In my videos, you know that I do like to share tips and techniques on making projects easier to accomplish and having a lot more fun doing them. So I've added tips and techniques throughout the book. The books will be available in a couple of weeks on Amazon, C&T Publishing, and at some of your local quilt shops. If you would like a signed copy, I will be signing books from today right up until March 31st, 2020. And along with that link, I will put other links where you can buy the books at any given time. I'm very excited about this book, and I do hope you enjoy it. I do have some of the original quilts, and I'll give you a quick trunk show now of some of the patterns in the book. We have Simple Simon, Beards and Beer, because the fabric has a lot of bearded men and bottles of beer. Irish Pansy, Basket Weave, Ooh La La, Coco Chanel, Jelly Roll Race, made modern. A great way to make a chevron quilt, and there are no half square triangles and no set-in seams. A really fun denim quilt. What's fun about this is there's no quilt batting inside of it. You make it all in one step. The back and the front are all done at one time. A half log cabin, which makes log cabins a lot quicker to do. And that's a few of the quilts in the book. I'll put a link in the description if you'd like that signed copy. And as soon as I get those books in, I will sign them and send them off to you as soon as possible. It has been a goal and a dream of mine for a long time to write a book. And it was you, the viewer, that has made it possible for me to do this. So thank you from the very bottom of my heart. And thank you for watching So Very Easy. And always, come on back. Let's see what we're sewing next time in the sewing room. Bye for now.